Welcome everyone to our exciting journey through the world of hoverboards. Today we're going to explore the top 5 best hoverboards of 2023. These aren't just any hoverboards. They are the epitome of innovation designed to give you the thrill and convenience you deserve. So, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the GoTrax Glide Hoverboard. This hoverboard is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. With a top speed of 6.2 miles per hour and a range of 3.1 miles, it's perfect for kids and beginners. It's lightweight, making it easy for your kid to carry around, and the top speed is low enough to ensure safety while still providing a fun ride. The GoTrax Glide also comes with LED lights around the wheels and headlights and taillights for nighttime riding, adding an extra layer of safety and style. Moving up to number 4, we have the Razor Hovertrax 2.0. This hoverboard is perfect for beginners with a brand name that's synonymous with quality and reliability. It boasts a pair of powerful 350-watt motors, giving it a max capacity of 220 pounds and a maximum range of about 8 miles. What sets this hoverboard apart is its easy-to-swap 36-volt lithium-ion battery pack. If you keep a second battery charged, you can quickly replace the battery and keep riding. It also includes a training mode for beginners, making it a great all-around option. At number 3, we have the Apico Sport Self-Balancing Scooter. If you're looking for a high-end hoverboard, this is the one for you. Capable of handling all terrains and traveling up to 10 miles on a single charge, the Apico board is a powerhouse. Its 8.5-inch tires can handle both wet and dry conditions, and the scooter itself is rated IP56 for water and dust resistance. This hoverboard ensures safety in all aspects of its design, from its UL 2272 certification to its LED turn signals. It's also incredibly fun to ride thanks to its speedy acceleration courtesy of powerful 400W dual motors. Coming in at number 2, we have the Segway 9Bot S Electric Transporter. This hoverboard is built for adults with a design that includes a central steering column, making it look more like a professional commuting device. It's great for both beginners and experienced riders alike because of the steering column. You turn by squeezing your legs together and applying pressure to one side, which may be easier for new riders to understand. And thanks to the large set of 10.5-inch pneumatic tires, it rides smoothly, no matter how many potholes you encounter. If you plan to commute, this hoverboard will be perfect, as it can cruise up to 13 miles on a single charge. And finally, at number 1, we have the Swavtron T6. This hoverboard is our top pick for its range, speed, and smooth ride. Equipped with treaded, air-filled 10-inch tires, it offers a smooth ride whether you're traversing a nearby parking lot or a local trail. And the 12 miles of range is enough to take you almost anywhere. The hoverboard is powered by 300-watt dual motors that can handle any wave or speed and fly up 30-degree inclines with ease. The motors also rip across the grass at your neighborhood park or take on the gravel trail in your backyard. Best of all, this durable hoverboard can carry up to 420 pounds and play music from an integrated Bluetooth speaker. And there you have it, folks. These are the top 5 best hoverboards of 2023. Remember, a good hoverboard not only provides a fun and efficient mode of transportation, but also promotes better balance, coordination, and reflexes. So why wait? Embrace the future of personal transportation today. Until next time, stay balanced and keep gliding.